I guess it could be a perfect replacement for bak kwa in Chinese New Year. First one is actually your centipede. I think one of the misconceptions about the centipedes are venomous. Once they are cooked already, the toxin is actually degraded. So itadakimasu. Yeah, there's a meaty taste to it. I think it's like eating some teriyaki chicken, but mixed with some woody taste. The next one is scorpion, right? Yeah, I think for me, you can tell it's actually very, very crunchy because the exoskeleton is thicker than compared to the other insects. There's also a meaty taste to it also, very savory, but very crunchy. Last but not least is your tarantula. After much chewing, it tastes like one of your chili crab or salted egg crab.